beautiful lovers, welcome back to the Love of Fashion on how to cut and sew. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut this lovely style you are seeing on the screen. So this is a net lace fabric. I'm making some 4 yards of net lace fabric, and this is the dusted fabric that I'm going to use to tape the neckline the way it is on the picture. So the first thing I'm going to cut here is going to be the half cut, and the half cut is 17 inches, but I'll be adding 1 inch to it to make it 18 inches because of the seam allowance. So this is after deducting 18 inches out, then I folded it into 4, leaving my zip allowance at the back. You can see this is the zip allowance. Then I'm going to take the shoulder measurement, the arm measurement, the bust measurement, the waist measurement. So the first thing here is going to be the shoulder measurement of 8 inches, that's 16 inches for the back, you understand. Then with a shoulder slant of 1 inch, here is it. Then I'm going to slant it up to the center of both back and front. So the shoulder measurement is going to be 8 inches. Here is it, 8 inches, you can see. Then this is a half cut, as you can see. Then I'm going to take the bust measurement here, and the bust measurement is 46 inches, that is 11.5 in 4 places, and here is it. So with 2 inches of seam allowance, sewing allowance, you can see. Then I'll now go down to take the waist measurement of 40 inches, that is 10 in 4 places, is going to give us 40 inches. Here is it, with 2 inches of seam allowance as well, you can see. Then I can now connect it together like this. So I want to connect them together, this line, then to the shoulder as well. As you can see. Then the next thing is to bring out the shape of the armhole by taking up 2 inches, 2 inches here as well. Then I'll now connect it like this before I cut it out. You can also make use of armhole cut. If your hand is not straight enough, then I can now cut it out. The next thing here is to cut out the neckline. I'll make use of 4 inches. 4 inches here. The wideness of the neckline is going to be 4 inches. Then the length of my V neckline is going to be around, let me make use of 9.5 inches here. Then from here, I'm going to slant it up to the shoulder. But before then, let me take the back neckline to be 2 inches. Then I'll now connect everything together like this. So I'll cut out the back first before cutting the front neckline like this. Then so let me rule out the neckline for the front. Let me slant it up this way before I cut it out. Then I can now cut it now. So I'm done with the cutting of the front neckline as well. The next thing here is to take the dart. The dart is the distance of the two busts, and here is it. This is 4 inches. That means the distance of the two busts is 8 inches. So I will now notch it out like this. You can see. So before the taping of the plain fabric at the neckline, I would like to cut out the sleeve first. This is what I'm using for the sleeve. This is folded into 4 because I'm cutting for both sleeves. You can see now. So the length of my sleeve is here. Then the first thing you are going to do is to take the length of the sleeve. After the length of the sleeve, then you take the roundness of the arm, the roundness of the upper arm. So let me just rule this out to know the line like this. Then after that, I'm going to take the roundness of the sleeve to be, let me make use of 9.5 inches. So that means the round sleeve is 19 inches. You understand? Here is it. Then I'll now take down some inches to 4 inches like this. Then I'll now sketch out the shape of the sleeve this way. You can see the shape of the sleeve. We're still going to add the allowance we added to the bust line. No, we added 2 inches to the bust measurement, so we're going to add that here. You can make use of 1 inch, you can make use of 2 inches as well. Well, making use of 1.5 inches here. So it's from that area that I'm going to come in a little bit to bring out the shape of the sleeve like this. You can see. After that, I'm going to slant it out like this. You can see. Then by the time I cut it out, you're going to see the shape of the sleeve properly. So let me now start cutting. So I'm done with the cutting. Here is the shape of this. You can see how beautiful this A-line is. This is an A-line sleeve. You can see. Then this is the taping I'm using for the front. You can see I've already folded it into 2. You can see this is just into 2. It's not into 4. Then I'll now bring my my neckline, the front neckline. I'll now use it and cut it out before adding some inches to the side of this plain duchess fabric. You see the way I'm going to do it now. I'll cut this area out. It's an SS. You can see after the cutting, I'll cut out the neckline. They must have the same neckline. We're going to use that plain to turn the lace fabric neckline, the sample net neckline. After this, now I'll now take away the lace or the net lace after cutting this down part. Now I'm done cutting. Then I'll now remove this area, then add some inches to the side. Like I'll make use of 3.5 inches. The main wideness is 3 inches, then the half inch is going for the same allowance, so that's why I'm making use of 3.5 inches. So this is how it looks like after cutting it out. You can see. So the next thing is going to divide the center into 2, like the way it is here. You can see there is the division of that plane at the center. Wait, check it properly. So that is what I will be doing here. So I'm going to bias this side and other side too. After biasing, I use this to turn out the neckline. Then you place it at the front like that. You can see this is how it's going to be at the front. The first one will stay here, the other one will stay at the other side like this. So we are done with the cutting of the half part. The next thing here is the down part to make it a dress, and here is the 180-degree flay that I've cut out with the same radius. Our waist measurement is going to be our radius when cutting out the triangle flay, which is 180-degree flay. So I've done that. If you want to know how to cut this properly, you can check it on my channel. I've done many tutorials on how to cut 180-degree flay. Let me now go and join everything together and show you the finishings. Here is the finished work so far. This is after joining everything together. I'm here to iron. I'm still going to iron it properly to make it fine. You can see the chest line. You can see how it is. So this is how I place it. I make use of bias at that side and I stitch it down. So this is the A-line sleeve. You can see how beautiful it is. If you are watching me for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.